Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will add buttons. So first we will create the submit function. So before return, we will write const on submit, which is equal to an arrow function. And here we will pass data and event, okay? And here we need to write event dot target dot reset function, okay? This reset is coming from here. Let's save this. And now we need to create the button. But before that, we will add on submit in the form. So let's go to the form tag here. Okay, so here we need to write on submit, which is equal to handle submit, and here we need to pass on submit. Okay, this is the handle submit, okay, which we are getting from here. Now we need to create the button, so we need to come at the bottom, and before the form we will create a div, and inside this div tag we will write class name, which is equal to btn group, and here we will create buttons. So button, this is submit button, and here we will create class name btn primary, type, which is equal to submit, and disable, which is, it will be disabled when it is not equal to form, which is when it is not form state dot is valid. Okay, and the form state is invalid, then it will be disabled. Okay, when the form state, when it is not form state dot is valid, then it will be disabled. Let's save this, and now we need one more button for reset. So button class name equals to btn danger, type, which is equal to button, and we need on click, which is equal to an arrow function, reset, and here we need to write reset. Okay, let's save this. Now we are done with the buttons. Let's go in the browser, let's check it. Okay, so here the button is visible, and once we fill the form, then the button is active. Okay, so we are able to submit. And now let's try with the reset thing. So if I click here, it will get reset. So we have successfully finished the React Hook forms. We have created a form using React Hook forms, and this is it for this video, and this is it for the series. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please like, share, and comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in some other series and in some other videos. So till then, take care and bye bye.